and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport Manual in the color black. Let's take a look. Starting up front, underneath the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine manual transmission. Gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front here, we have our headlamps, daytime running lights, and fog lights. And in the middle, we have the lovely hood scoop. As we move along to the side here, we have the alloy wheels, and then side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. Rear windows all come with factory tinting. And in the back, there is a bed light available. Currently, it is turned off, but it can be turned on or work automatically with the opening and closing of your doors. On the side, we have the sticker emblem for the TRD 4x4 Sport on either side of the bed, as well as the V6 badge. If you look right through here, you will find your spare tire, and if you look right next to your handle is where you'll find your backup camera. To open your rear space here, of course, just release the handle and it can soft open from there. Take a quick look around the inside here. Once you get up to the right hand side, you'll find additional storage and a power outlet. And also looking straight back, you'll find that the middle panel of your rear windshield is set in slightly from the rest of it. It is power adjustable, and we'll look closer at that when we get up to the front of the cab. To bring up your tailgate, just lift down and bring it back up. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So, looking in here, you'll see your internal upholstery is the black leatherette with this nice texturing in the middle. On the back of your front passenger seat, you will find pouch storage, and then you have cup holder storage in the middle of your console. Door has a nice amount of storage for your rear passengers as well, with child locks as seen here for both doors. Then, as we enter in here, we'll take a look at the driver's door panel. You'll find your power windows for front, back, and a child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back, front, down, and your lumbar support. Hood release latch is on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, controls for that bed light, automatic head beams, your power outlet, clutch start cancel, and traction control. Hop up here and take a look at your steering wheel. On the left-hand side is where you have controls for your radio, volume, and your hands-free communication. Right-hand side is where you have controls for the dash display. And then your cruise control in the back with your sonar and lane departure. In the middle is your infotainment display center. It's where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your optional navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also has full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and an optional USB adapter. Under that is the Climate Control Center. We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. We also have the tri-level 2 front heated seats for you and your front passenger, defrost for front windshield as well as your side mirrors, and then your dial for your 2-wheel for high and for low. Under that is your BSM, and then this allows you to control that middle panel in the back. It pushes in and pulls up like any other power window, but we'll take a look back to see how that appears. When you push it in, you'll see it move to the side, and then as you pull it up, it'll close back. Great for a little bit of extra air flow through the cab. Next to that, of course, is your USB port, and then this symbol coordinates with the one on this black pad. A little hard to see, but when this turns on, it turns this black pad at the base of this storage space into a wireless charging pad for all compatible devices, and just as easily can turn off to make this into a regular storage space. Again, 12 volt on the far side. Then, of course, you have your leather-wrapped gear shift in the middle, your 6-speed manual. You have lots of storage space in the middle, and then your console back here with some additional charger spaces. Looking upwards on your rearview mirror, you'll find these house-shaped controls. Those are your garage door openers. Above that, you have your sunglasses compartment SOS button, overhead lighting controls, and controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport manual in the color black. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Auto Mall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.